The third homework this week is triangle sums. This should be reviewed for all of you. All the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So to find a missing angle, these add up to 120. So to get to 180, then this must be 60 degrees, right? They all must add up to 180. You can always find the missing angle of a triangle. Some other good review that we need to know is that vertical angles are congruent. So if this is 30, these create a V facing each other. The opposite side would also be 30. Vertical angles are congruent. Linear pair angles are 180. What does that mean? These create a linear pair, a line together. So if this is 30, this would have to be 150 degrees because these make 180 together. We also know that these are vertical, so that would also be 150. Little review there. Those are important ideas. I'm going to go through some examples that you might see on the homework. All right, find the missing angle or the question mark. Well, the first thing I see is that I got to make it over there. So I'm going to start with what's given over here. If this is 150, these are a linear pair, so then this must be 30. Here I have a triangle, so I know that they all add up to 180. 30 plus 120 is 150. Subtract from 180, this would be 30. And then these create a linear pair again, so then this one would be 150 degrees. So you can always find a missing angle on the other side by working your way backwards. Similarly here, I'm trying to get this angle. I want to set up an equation. Well, I know these are linear pairs, so I want to get this angle. So I do 180 minus 92 minus 36 to get my remaining angle. Not the best at mental math here, so here we go. 180 minus 92 minus 36. I get 52. So this angle here would be 52. And then I need to set something up. This plus this should equal 180 because they're a linear pair. So I know the 10x plus 22 plus the 52 should equal 180. 10x plus 74 equals 180. All right, I would do 180 minus the 74, and then I would divide by 10. So then I would get x equals 10.6 in this case. All right, we got one more example. Find the measure of angle A. These are the last problems on the homework. The only thing I want to make sure you do is you have to find x, and then you have to plug it back in to figure out what A is. In this situation, I have all the angles inside the triangle, and I know they all add up to 180. So I add them up, set them equal to 180. Combine like terms, x plus 2x is 3x, plus, let's see, 9 plus 5 is 14, 98 plus 14, 112. I'm going to subtract that over and then divide by 3. So I get 180 minus the 112 divided by 3. I get 22 point, we'll round it to 7. But don't forget, I'm finding the measure of angle A. So I need to plug it back in. If I look up here, A was x plus 25. Well, x is 22.7. So then I add them up, take my previous answer and I add 5. I get 27.7 degrees about. Boom. All right, good luck on the homework.